Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, welcome to Ariful School again, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Education School, Markshet. Today, I am going to take an English class for class Junior 1 students. Our today's topic: word meaning, English to English, 6 to 10 CW. So, let's see our today's class. Class Junior 1, subject will be English, topic word meaning, English to English 6 to 10, term annual, lecture 5, no SW today, teacher Ariful Islam, this is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's start our today's class. So you can see our today's topic word meaning, English to English 6 to 10. So English to English word meaning, because in these sections you have to write the meaning in English, not Bangla. Okay, so lot, you say I have a lot of pens, I have a lot of pencils. So lot means many, lot means many. So many spelling M-A-N-Y, many. Lot means many. M-A-N-Y, many. So show means you are showing something to others. See means you are seeing something, and show means you are showing something. The show means you are displaying something. Show means to display. D-I-S-P-L-A-Y. So show means to display. Show means to display. Display means you are showing something to others. Show means to display. Number 8, lead. Lead means a cover. C-O-V-E-R. Cover. So lead means a cover. Lead means a cover. Number 9, jar. Jar is a thing where we contain something, we carry something. So jar means container. C-O-N-T-A-N-I-E-R. Container. Jar, container. C-O-N-T-A-I, sorry, there is a mistake. C-O-N-T-A-I-N-E-R. Container. Jar means container. C-O-N-T-A-I-N-E-R. Container. Jar means container. You contain something, you carry something in the jar. Jar means container. So bring. Bring means you are taking something, you bringing something. So bring means to fetch. To F-E-T-C-H. Bring means to fetch. Bring means to fetch. To fetch. F-E-T-C-H. Fetch means bring something. Okay. So bring means to fetch. So my dear students, again revise. Lot means word meaning, English to English 6 to 10. Number 6, lot means many. I have a lot of pens, a lot of pencils, so we can say we have many pens, many pencils. So show means you are showing something to other to display. Show means to display. Lead means a cover. Jar means container. Jar means container, spelling C-O-N-T-A-I-N-E-R, container. And number 10, bring means to fetch. F-E-T-C-H, fetch. Bring means to fetch. Actually, fetch means bring something. Okay, you are bringing something, you are fetching something. Bring means to fetch. I am reading for the last time. Number 2, word meaning, English to English 6 to 10. Here you have to write the meaning in English. Number 6, lot. Lot means many. Number 7, show. Show means to display. Spelling pronunciation is to display. A, display. Lid means a cover. A cover. Jar means a container. A container. Bring means to fetch. Bring means to fetch. So my dear students, do your assigned SW at home and submit on Saturday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. in the school library. Thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. Avoid bad parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.